Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Well, hi guys, I'm Brianna from Inovelli. I am our marketing manager. We are at CES 2020 in the Z-Wave booth. So we are a consumer electronics product company. We have Z-Wave switches and bulbs through our Ilumin brand as well. We're coming out with this year, we already have out our dimmer switch, our on-off switch. Soon we're coming out with our 4-in-1 sensor, and then the rest of the year we also have our Fan Plus Light switch, which is really popular. It'll be able to individually control a fan and a light through automation. You'll have 3 scenes, and then along with our fan and light, we have our dimmer and on-off, which is out right now. The dimmer switch has up to 13 scene configurations. It has energy monitoring. You also have LED notifications. So one of my favorite ones is when I leave the house or someone leaves the house and the doors are still unlocked, the LED bar will flash red to let me know that I need to lock my doors before I leave or anything like that. We also have our Ilumin bulbs. So our dimmer, when paired with our Ilumin bulbs, it actually dims directly from the switch up and down. The bulbs also will remember your last state in case of a power outage or anything like that. So our light strips is coming out this year. It comes in 1-foot sections, so we were kind of trying to solve the problem where if you have a light strip, you have to cut off an end and you can't really use the rest of it. So it's going to come in 1-foot sections. The LEDs are individually addressable, and it also has these adapters, so you can do right angles, T-shaped as well. So it's really customizable, which is really cool. 4-in-1 sensor, Edison bulbs. We're really trying to achieve a nice ecosystem for our smart home users. We kind of started the company as smart home users ourselves and wanted to create products that we wanted in our own homes. So if you're here, or check us out, Inovelli.com, or follow us on social at Inovelli, or at the Inovelli. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.